What's going on, everyone? My name is Fernando. In today's video, we'll talk about how I was able to make $11,000 last month part-time. Let's get right into it. Alright, so I actually made $11,537 with 29 cents. 45% of that was profit. Selling price was $19.99. I bought that product for $6 on AliExpress. Actually, these are a couple of apps that I was using. I was using the one-click upsell and the Selly app. So general store or niche store. So I started off with the general store. I found my winner inside the general store and then later transformed that general store into a niche store. I literally deleted all the shitty products and just started adding products that were in the same niche as my winner. So the type of product that I was using, it had a passionate audience worldwide, so that actually is helping a lot. This product is an everyday use product. It's super unique, and at the time I was the only one selling it. Right now I think there's another person selling it, but you know, I got the upper hand, of course. Traffic source, I started off with Instagram. I tested this product with a lot of meme pages until I got 50 sales. Then I knew this was a winner. I started testing a lot of ad copy, a lot of videos, a lot of pictures, just trying to see what is the best creative to take into Facebook. After I got into Facebook, I started with the PPE campaign and then as well as a conversion campaign with 5 ad sets inside of it. And then I just kept testing interest until I was able to create lookalike audiences. So I just did this rinse and repeat. The Facebook strategy that I used, like I said, I started with the PPE campaign, US only. I ran it for about 5 days at $10 a day. My goal here was to get a lot of social proof on the creative that I made, so people can be more engaging and more likely to buy and engage with my ad. At the same time, I did a conversion campaign with 5 ad sets, USA only, at $10 a day. After that, I would actually, there's a little point that I added in here. I would kill my ad set after 2 days since my product was $16.99. If your product is, let's say, $30, I say wait until 3 days to determine if you should kill or scale your ad set. Each ad set was single interest with about 1 to 10 million audience size. If the interest does not have a million in audience size, I would stack similar interest until I hit 1 million in audience size. And then I just kept rinsing and repeating until I was able to get 1,000 view contents or 300 add to carts or 150 purchases to create lookalike audiences. Once I got enough data, I created lookalike audiences. First, I started with 100 view contents or 95% video views and just tested like every range possible. Honestly, that would be the ideal thing to do, literally test every range. Like on here it says 1%, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, and so on. I suggest doing 1 to 3, 3 to 5, literally testing every little increment on there, just to see what works. Every range is different. And then the same idea with add to carts and purchases. On here I have 300 add to carts and 150 purchases to make lookalikes. These are just data points that I have for myself. I know a lot other people use these same data points, but you can literally test lookalikes whenever you want to. It's literally up to you. Other lookalikes you could test 95%, 75% video views, top 25% visitors by time spent, page post engagement, purchase or add to cart in the last 10, 30, 60 days. All those ranges would be different audiences. Literally just test and see what works. Also, Instagram saves is another good one. literally, like I said on here, test everything. Like everybody says as well on other YouTube videos, test, test, test. And that is really what the game's about, is testing. So that's basically it. I just want to give you some tasks that I have for this, what I've been doing this April for this product. I was in the process and actually just finished getting an agent for faster shipping and better prices. That actually cut down on my revenue because I was trying to figure that out and was focusing more on getting that agent all set up. Create more ads just to have more fresh creatives in Facebook to have my CPMs lower. Just testing basically creatives, just to test. And then also I tested a shitload of CBO. I failed a lot, wasted a lot of money testing CBO, but I finally started to get the hang of CBO. If you want to hear some tips and tricks on how I do CBO, that'll be another video. Just leave a comment down below to see if you want to know other ways to do CBO. Other than that, start a new store and keep my original store improving. That's what I'm currently doing right now. Also, another thing I was looking into is taking my product out of my niche store and making a single product page for it. I'm currently thinking about doing that right now, so we'll just see how it works out. But yeah, that's basically it. I'm just gonna leave you guys here with a quote from Gary Vee. The what if is what fucking scares me. Literally, this quote means so much to me that, like, even when it comes to testing ranges, I'm in my head like, fuck, like I should have tested that, because it could have been a winner, right? It could have been a winning audience. So take this quote with you every single day and everything you do, and just keep crushing it. I just want to say thank you for staying and watching my video. This is actually my second video. Hopefully I did better, but if you have any questions, any comments, please write them down below. I'll definitely be getting back to all of you guys. But yeah, if you want to subscribe, that will help a lot. I actually just have one subscriber, which is my girlfriend, but that's super funny, but whatever. It is what it is. Everybody starts somewhere. But other than that, I'll talk to you guys soon.